Hello everyone, more so hi to the ladies. My name is Nthabi. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn how to make a wig. This wig cap is from Cosmetic Connection. It retails for 18 Rand. The hair was 170 Rand and you can get it at Cosmetic Connection or any hair supply store. The pack is enough for a complete look. It comes with 3 bundles, 18, 20 and 22 inches. And a closure. The glue was 30 Rand at a local beauty supply store. I'm sure Cosmetic Connection also sells this. A pack of 2 stocking caps is 10 Rand at Cosmetic Connection. I used the first stocking cap as a barrier to avoid getting glue on my hair, but it still seeped through at the back. So I suggest you wear a shower cap or anything with non-breathable material. Unless you have a mannequin head, then this doesn't apply to you. The hair has a human hair-like feel to it, but it is still synthetic. So if you do use heat, don't set it too high. Apply your glue on the side where the hair has been cut. So the application process is repetitive. I measure the length needed. The cap had excess material. It was a bit too big, hence I folded it. You can stitch it in position or use a different cap. It didn't bother me. Cut. Apply glue, dry it with warm air to make it tacky. Attach it to the wig cap and dry it in position. I do this until I get to the top. I suggest you do this with cornrows on unless you have a mannequin head. After attaching the first 2 wefts, I ended up doubling all the wefts. They were just too thin. Initially, I wanted lily or ebony bundles because they handle heat well and can be used and washed multiple times. But my supplier didn't have any. This is lovely but more synthetic like, so it won't last long if you don't maintain it well. The glue is rubber based, so it can be easily removed from your hands, and if you get any on your hair, just use oil sheen. Here I'm just measuring where I want the fringe to start and how long I want it to be. I created my fringe within the parameters of the 2 front lines. They were a great guideline. This is the 3rd bundle, the 18-inch bundle. I measure the length needed and then I glue on. That's where the closure is going to be. Get this as small as possible. Just estimate how long the weft must be to fit in. You apply the glue, get it tacky, roll it. Dry it once it's rolled. Open it up. Spread out the hair equally. And compress it with a straightener until it is flat. But don't burn your hair. And if you really want to do this and you don't have a straightener, just use an iron. You won't be doing it on your head, so there's no harm in that. After that, I start customizing the fringe. This can be done however you want to. I don't have a thinning comb, so I used my scissors. Take a Lot sells thinning combs for 100 Rand. My straightener is from Take a Lot. It was 400 and something when I purchased it. It was on sale. I'm sure it's still on sale. This is a great alternative for days where you just want to give your hair a break, and it's also affordable. That's about it. After that, you can remove the cap at the bottom and you're done. Thank you for watching and subscribing. I am grateful to have and be part of such a supportive community of women. Thank you for choosing to spend your time here. I hope all the tutorials are useful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. Bye.